Hello everyone, my name is Spursh and welcome back in another video on Just a Tech YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can install Odyssey Rain on your Checkra1n jailbreak device. By this way you can get the default package manager as Celio on your device. I made 2-3 videos on Odyssey Rain and Celio. If you want to know more about Celio and other things, you can check them out, link in the description. On Checkra1n jailbreak you will get Cydia as a default package manager, and with Odyssey Rain you will get the Celio as a default package manager. So you can get the same Celio package manager on your Checkra1n jailbreak device. It supported the latest iOS version 13.6 down to the iOS version 12.3. That means it supports all the devices that support Checkra1n jailbreak. And if you don't know how to jailbreak your device with Checkra1n, all the links are in description. All the different iOS versions supported, so you can check them out. So for this process, first you have to get this GitHub link. This link also in the description. So you have to first download the ISO file. So you have a different architecture like 32-bit and 64-bit, both are here. So you can download according to your architecture. So just go to your home screen and right click on this PC icon, and then you will see the architecture. Mine is 64-bit. I will download the 64-bit version. Now the file is downloading. And one more thing, if you are already jailbroken with Checkra1n, just go to the Checkra1n Loader app and click on Restore System. If you are not jailbroken and you are a fresh device, skip this step. This is only for the jailbroken user. You have to unjailbreak your device first to install the Celio on your device. So make sure that you have to first remove complete Checkra1n from your device and then move further. So just click on Restore System and it will delete the Checkra1n and Cydia packages from your device. It will reboot your device and then you will get back directly to the home screen. So now the Checkra1n is completely removed from my device. So as you can see, there is no Checkra1n and Cydia. Now we have to move further and make the bootable ISO file. So for that you will need a USB, and the file size of the ISO file for the 32-bit system is 158, and for the 64-bit ISO file it's around 163 MB. So take the USB storage according to that, and you can also use the micro SD card and the card reader. So now you have to make the bootable. And one more important point is that when I make a bootable USB from the Rufus software, it gives me some kind of error like grub rescue issue. So you can use the Balena Etcher, that works completely fine. If your system support the Rufus software, you can use that also, but in my case Rufus doesn't work, so I will use the Balena Etcher. So I will suggest you have to use the Balena Etcher for the ISO file for success rate, and if the Rufus software will work, you can use that also. So both the softwares are free. You can download from the internet and just import the ISO file and then flash it. And now the process is completed. Just close the Balena Etcher and restart your system, and after that you have to boot your USB. So just go to your BIOS menu and then click on USB storage to boot it from the USB. You can boot from legacy and the UEFI, both are supported. So now from here just select your USB pen drive. So mine is Toshiba. After selecting that, you will see the first option, that is Checkra1n jailbreak, and the second, that is Odyssey Rain, it named as Odyssey NMX, and then you have a reboot option and exit option. And first you have to select the Checkra1n option, so that first we will jailbreak our device with Checkra1n. So just click on enter So now you will see the Checkra1n 0.10.2. So just connect your device with the USB cable, and then you will see the trust option. Just hit on trust, and after that you will see your device is unsupported because mine is 13.6. so for that you have to just go to option and then first allow the untested iOS version. After that you will see the select option is start option, and then you have to start it, and then it's a normal process. Just ignore this error and start jailbreaking, and then follow all the steps on the Windows. First you have to put your device into recovery mode, and then you have to put your device into DFU mode, and then it will start jailbreaking your device. So just follow the instruction on the screen. Now the jailbreak process is completed, and you will see the Checkra1n Loader app on your home screen. Now this time you don't have to install the Cydia, you just have to install the Celio package manager. So for that you don't have to click on any install Cydia package manager, because if you do that it will not work. So you have to just open the Checkra1n Loader app, and you have to don't install anything, just go back and then follow my steps. So after that just quit the Checkra1n Loader app, and when you click on quit you will see the old blue screen that appeared in the starting of the video, and you will see all the option again. So now this time you have to select the second option, that is Odyssey Rain, and then click on enter, and then you will see the black screen in which some information is there. So for that you have to first connect your device. So they are asking your device is connected or not, so you have to just disconnect your device and replug it back, and then click on enter. So just hit enter, and then you will see some information on the screen. So you have to just hit enter again. So just hit enter, and then you will see it asking for the password for the local host. So you have to enter Alpine, that is the default password for the local host, and when you enter it, it will not show on the screen because of the security reasons of the Linux system. So you have to just enter ALPINE and hit on enter, and it will accept that password. I will print that on the screen. So after that it will send the Celio packages on the device, and now it will ask for the root password again. So you have to enter the same Alpine again. So it's ALPINE and hit on enter. So as you can see, when you type the password it will not show, so just enter it, and after that you will see the Celio package manager on your home screen. So as you can see, the package manager is on my home screen. Now the process is completed. Just hit on enter, and you will quit that Odyssey Rain screen. Now you have the Celio, just click on that, and the first important thing you have to do is you have to update all the packages that are asking for the update. Now after that you have to go to the search option, and then you have to type for libhooker. So just type libhooker, it's a library for the Celio. So it's important to install, otherwise some tweaks will not work. So just install first, click on get, and you will see the queue option. Just click on that and confirm the installation, and then it will respring your device. Now after that just go to your Celio app again, just go to update and update all the previous packages. It's important to do so that every tweak will work fine. So first you have to install the libhooker library, and then you have to update all the packages. So after that the last step is you have to jailbreak it again with the Checkra1n. So it's important, you have to follow all these steps. So it's only for the first time. After that, whenever you reboot your device, you have to just simply jailbreak it again, don't have to repeat all the steps. It's for the first time only. So just jailbreak it again simply, and it will ready with the Celio package manager on the Checkra1n jailbreak device. And now we are ready to use the Celio package manager, and you can install any tweaks and add any repo, and it is more fast and responsive than Cydia. I personally like the UI of the Celio, and it is fast as compared to the Cydia. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, then hit the like button. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell icon for more updates. Till then, goodbye, take care, and peace out.